Alright, everybody. This episode's about doing some steam tractor maintenance. Now, it's not a tutorial on everything to do to maintain a steam tractor. It's just a work day where we knocked a few things off the list. So, if you saw my last episode of gaskets for the steam tractor, you'll see me put them on and working with the guys. Hope you enjoy it. So we ran into a couple of problems with a boiler plug up on top, and it's pretty stuck on there. So what ended up happening was we soaked it with some PB Blaster, added a little bit of heat, a little breaker bar, and we're on our way. Trying to get the blowdown valves off to get sent out to be rebuilt.
And they're really on. Pipe is flexing, you think?
All right.
It's not just me.
What?
It's not. We're handling strength in me.
You guys are bigger not than anymore, me. John. I'm losing it.
You guys are bigger than me, so. I don't mean that in a bad way.
If Bill was doing it, the tractor started lifting up.
Mark's gonna put a hole in his foot.
We don't need the gym.
Background shed's open, we don't want to do it. The governor will find out it'll work.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, you should be able to pull that up out of the way, right?
I guess.
Where's big rod right there?
This one. Right? No.
The handle.
The grape.
Yeah, it's already the other way. Push it forward.
Thank you.
There we go. We should remember to put that back up so that doesn't get fucked up when we drag it out or something.
Yeah.
What's the plan now? I guess just put a little heat on it. Come on, man! Turn that off. Gas! I did it over here.
Where's the liquid wrench?
It's up there. Liquid ass over here.
Liquid ass. I got it. It's up here.
Hurry, quick!
Oh, you're the kind of guy that gets all the dingleberries in the shop, huh? What do you mean? With the fucking torch, I hate when guys do that.
Floaters?
Yeah. Oh, God.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The dingleberries.
I know what you're talking about. Hey, can't help it.
Keep the nipple.
Instead of the fire. You want to keep the coupling. Expand the coupling so the pipe comes out. I'm less worried about it here. Get underneath a little bit. Okay.
Yeah, it's styrofoam cups.
Boom, we used to make metal.
Ooh. Sure we should
Acetylene bombs?
Yeah, styrofoam.
A couple guys did that today one night. He was sleeping, it was like 2, 3 in the morning. He had some tires under his caboose and they lit on fire. Yes.
That's the only way that's the way you guys put it to me.
Oh, sure.
He's so wrong. He did a good job.
I miss him though.
Yeah, I mean, I wish still had already.
We trimmed up these grapes real nice.
Yeah. And made them work. Put a hell of a lot of work on them.
I got all the little
Dates it on that?
Yeah, all the grinding.
Hey, look at that. Here we go.
All right. pipe wrench. No room to work.
A burly dude when it comes off.
You want me to get in there? You want me to get in there? You don't need that big.
Yeah, that's good, right? Thing with the gloves. Nice having that work for July.
Yeah. That's funny, you need it over here and we came over here.
You can get that nipple off anyway. But even if you mangle up, make a new nipple, it doesn't matter.
Here's the chalk. Take it out. It didn't move, don't move it, right?
Yeah, it wasn't. It wasn't.
I guess we gotta drag this to the other side now.
What? No, I think the hose can reach.
Well, one more you got. Gotta get them steps out.
So there's those gaskets I made for the water pump. We'll get one. Come on over here. Goes on there.
You're not doing anything to it without some surgery.
Never did this with one hand before. There's the cap, there's the old gasket. Nice and crispy. So, the new gasket's going to go on there, but this isn't going to run for a long time, so I'm not going to press it on tight.
I'm saying 300.
And then there's the other side.
Like 200 would be suffice. I prefer. Now those are actually deep. This it's only an inch and a quarter. Inch and a quarter.
And it's not as long as this.
Yeah.
Can we use that?
Does it work?
No, flat.
So even if we had to move it out, or unfortunately that doesn't control that. Yes.
It's a simple thing to drop. Well, that would be fine with me. Is there anything over here that I can get moved down?
Ah. What are we doing? What?
I want to try to take, I want to take this, I want to take this off.
Right.
And I'll bring that home and I'll try to.
Oh yeah. Put a new stud in it, or
Everybody, pipe
stainless?
works over here.
Because I used a bolt and I cut the head off, but it wasn't stainless. It was whatever I found laying around.
Yeah, I'll bring this home and I'll fix this. What is it?
That's the it's a check valve. Water intake. Yeah, Rich, that sounds good.
And then, because this is not kosher. So we'll leave this.
We have so much time now.
Check valve. So you're saying going in so it shuts up off?
All right, let me get
Well,
these.
this falls down, so if you go, this is the hurt, it's going.
What do you mean?
Don't drop any of these.
And there's enough shit in there, you know, it's already, it should be washed. There's all this in there, and the wash. And then when we can't use the injector and the thing's idling, we gotta cool it down, then we'll stop. But you know what I'm saying? It's not. I'll take that home, I'll clean that up.
Yeah, it's by my toolbox over there, right next to it, from the cutting that cardboard. Yeah, it's like that razor box kind of thing. All right, that's the one that's next. Not too bad.
John, take that fucking steam whistle.
All right.
They're not gonna say anything, fuck them. Bring it back.
Talk to Mark all the time, so nothing's gonna happen. Either talk to you or Mark when the group, so it's gonna happen. I don't even think they notice it going.
Nah, they won't. Here, can you stick that in that pipe on that end? I don't want a mouse or something going in there.
Yeah. My dog is.
Yeah, and then it's all plugged up and then we're all. What the fuck happened?
This one's closed.
Yeah.
Should be.
That's not in your way, right?
Nope.
Yeah, I'll bring this one.
I'm going to clean these up a little bit, the threads on this one before I put it back, and I'm not going to tighten it down just yet. We'll get that gasket. Right.
That was funny though. You should see, I'm up there, you should see me look at you guys.
Clean them up.
You and Kevin,
Overseas. I'm just going to sit it in here. Get it started.
Actually, if it just hit it, it probably would have done something. Might have stopped it.
I'm not going to squeeze it, but leave it open. This thing's not going to run for quite a while. With all these show closures. That's what for you.
Now what do we do, guys? Go. Well, it's not. Oh, I just fell over. Did you see the coal situation? Definitely gonna need coal. Kevin, did you get that light to work, dude? Hold on. Alright. Is that frame?
I'll tell you what, get right under.
Jack even work now. Holy shit! It's the mother new! Hey, you know what? Any of you guys ever climb under here?
That's it. Leave it like that. So this thing might run, and then we'll tie it all up. Button it up tight. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased. We had a pretty good work day. We didn't get everything done on the list, obviously. There's much more to do, but we got done a few things on the list and we had a good time doing it. And hopefully everybody out there enjoyed watching it. And I know we enjoyed doing it, so you know what to do. Until next time, stay strong, stay safe, and we'll see you later.